Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to attach and send a folder inside of your Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we first need to do is go ahead and find that folder inside of your computer. So I've got it here inside pictures. So this is the random folder I want to send inside Gmail, attach and send. So we need to right click on the folder and then click onto right click the folder, click onto compress to, and we need to compress it to a zip file. And we can change the name of it if we like, but I'm just going to keep it the same, and it's 3.5 megabytes in size. Then from here, go back to Gmail and then click on compose. And then at the bottom, we've got attach files, and go ahead and attach that zip file we just made. And now, as I said, it's 3.5 megabytes in size, and then put whatever in the body, subject can be whatever, and then I'm just going to send it to myself. Alright, so I'm going to send this to myself. Click send, and here it is here. So this is the folder that's being compressed as a zip file, and we can send it in Gmail.